Morgen, Klasse. I'm sorry I couldn't be here this morning with you, but I created a quick video to show you what you'll be doing today. So go into German class, and this is where you will have clicked on the instructions and are watching this video now. And the first thing I want you to do is the 10-minute history. This is a YouTube video, but I put it in a PlayPosit with questions, and it's about Frederick the Great and the rise of Prussia. And so Frederick the Great was a king of Prussia, and Prussia is northeastern Germany, or was in the 16, 17, 1800s. It became a powerful presence in Europe, and so they go over this in the short documentary and 10-minute history YouTube video. So you'll go into that and watch the video and then answer the questions. And that should take about 10 to 15 minutes. And when you're finished with that, you'll go to activity board 8, actually, not 9 yet. I want you to make sure that you have everything squared away in activity board 8. So you can get to it now from marking period 3 up here in the Bitmoji screen, or just scroll down to marking period 3. And you know where activity board 8 is. Go in there and make sure you have everything done. And I'll be grading everything that hasn't been graded shortly. So 1 through 9. And if you have finished everything in activity board 8, then you can move on to activity board 9. Also in third marking period folder. And the trick is to do these in the order you see them. So far there's 5 activities. Number 5 you won't be able to do. I have the materials for you. You won't get to that anyway after the 10-minute video, and as you start this or have finished activity board 8, there's a pair deck here that introduces some new German pronouns and verbs. So continuing with that, and then there's a pronunciation play posit with hobbies, and then a hobbies flip grid. So these are 2 speaking activities. Please grab the headphones that I provide, because they have a microphone that is noise canceling. So I used them recently in a noisy class I was covering, and it came out pristine with the message that I was sending to one of my instructors at Moravian University. So I prefer if you use those in the class, because I know it can get noisy. And for those of you I normally let go into the hallway, please don't do that when I'm not here. Don't ask Mr. McCormick, Mr. Tom, or anyone else if you can do that, and tell them that I normally let you do that. I'd rather you stay in the classroom when I'm not here. So grab those noise canceling headphones and use them, because the background noise makes it so I can't hear you oftentimes. So these are 2 speaking activities, and use the headphones I provide with those microphones. Then there's Tageszeiten, which is time of year. Pair deck, learning about the times of year or the seasons. And that should be enough for tomorrow. You probably won't get finished nearly all of that. I don't expect you to. What I'm going to start doing is having the instructions for the new vocabulary and the new grammar concepts in the first one of the row here. Okay, so these 3, and then the extension activities in the second 2 in the row. So lecture, 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 extension activities, extension activities. All right, so I hope you have a good day tomorrow. You'll be watching this video if you have school. Maybe we won't have school, we'll see. Um, in any case, I won't be here. I'll be with my wife at the hospital, who's having surgery. And so we hope all goes well. It's not a major surgery, but nonetheless, any surgery is not fun. All right. Have a great day. Auf Wiedersehen. Viel Spaß. Schönes Wochenende. Have a great weekend.